Hi guys. It's
Hello.
Billy and
Billy, no,
everyone.
shout out to me, bro. Billy, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Anyway, it's David. Where are we?
We are at
Fuck off.
We're back here again.
right. We're at a chicken farm. I'm doing part 2. Hello, guys.
This is part 1, and
I
we're
did
going in
part
the
one.
chicken farm.
Yep. All right, guys. So
Let's go.
here it is. If you missed the first video, you
Just
bitch.
be in the fucker.
You fucking.
Let's go. Into the chicken farm. There's the chicken farm. It's a bit wrecked and a bit fucked up. But let's fucking do this shit. So basically, I've just jumped down from that wall. There's Billy sucking his own dick. Come on, we'll go in. Come on, run. Yeah, come on then. It's a bit shit scary in here, but we've just been up there from that bit. Come on, lads. Ah, shit.
Oh shit! I dropped the phone.
Have you? So, yeah, we've been everywhere, really.
I keep fucking stopping recording. Let's start again.
Yeah, it's because you haven't got enough.
You did that?
What?
Yeah, there was me throwing that pole on the roof.
Come on then. Wasting my fucking.
Right, guys. All right. We're back to part 2.
Is that fucking
I'm
shit?
not sure if you can see us.
Oh, fuck
I'm not
off.
sure if you can actually see.
Can't see very much.
Have you got a flashlight, anyone?
I am.
Right, guys. I'm going to show you this part.
This
Last
room.
time I went down there.
Shall we show every room?
Nah, fuck that. Right, guys. Yeah, we've been in here a lot more time.
Anyway, there's
Anyone
somewhere.
got a torch?
No. Has anyone got a phone on them?
The torch. Fuck off.
Fuck off.
Billy, do you want to go? Billy, do you want to go?
Shit, there's someone there. What's there someone there? There's a predator on the roof.
I'm not sure if you can actually see.
Shit!
Right, guys, I'm gonna
Holy shit, what's under that? Stand on that. Whoa! Stop it.
Stop.
Oh, I just fell down the hole. What's that now?
What's that? That's a massive hole. Fuck off, Billy.
I need shit. Same it.
Oh, these two need shit and we're in a fucking shitty farm.
Oh, I'm going to chuck it up there.
What's under here?
Stop it.
Okay, guys, welcome back to part 2 of the abandoned chicken farm. Last time, we went down here.
And Brandon see the fucking man.
And, yeah, I'm with Billy. Billy, Mitchell,
David.
Josh, David, and where's Ewan?
Whoa!
We're with Ewan as well, but we're not sure where he is.
Got
I'm
some
not sure if
nice
it's all these rooms as well, guys.
There's really
Wait,
everything.
guys, I've never been in this part.
Look, danger.
Look.
Oh, slippery falls.
Alright, are you recording? Right.
Yeah, I'm fucking recording, mate.
There's someone down there.
Yeah, sure. Holy fuck.
Holy shit.
Echo!
This shit's big.
This is cool, man.
Where the fuck are they?
Oh!
Ah!
Don't do that.
I know it echoes like a bitch.
Yeah, it does.
Ah!
Right, guys, we're gonna go in here to the echo. But
Push
okay, guys,
on.
this is part of the-
Ah!
This is the side of the farm. Yes.
Anyway, we're getting up there.
Yeah.
Billy's getting up first.
Oh, you shut up, loud mouth.
Fuck off, big head.
Oi, Brandon.
Yeah.
Who made this?
That's cold.
It's cold.
Shit. That actually might not be cold.
Oh, yeah, it's cold.
Yeah, that's definitely
Right,
cold.
someone's here, guys. We're gonna smash your faces in.
Cold?
Cold?
Dickhead, come on!
Oi, come on then, you fucking knobhead. Rip your neck
Well, I'm
out
gonna
your shoulder.
fucking fight, come on! Someone there, come on!
Shit! Ah! Shit! Ah, shit! That was definitely not cold. Cold is in there.
That was definitely cold.
Yeah. Cold if you're fucking in there, come out. Is that electric box?
we're going back in.
Fuck, click your buttons. It says pump 1, pump 2.
That right.
Click them buttons. I got my fucking stick up your bum hole.
I've got a weapon.
This place is definitely haunted.
Wait, why is it fucking hooked?
I don't know. Come on.
We went down there last time. Oh, shoot.
Shit!
Who did that?
Two wankers!
Don't do that, Carl. That measures
Should we go upstairs?
Guys, here's upstairs. We've got to go quick. This is
Go, 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 go!
Yes. Who? You.
Press the fire alarm! Let's press the fire alarm!
Shut up.
No! Shit! Let's press the fire alarm!
Wait, come on.
Don't.
What's on
Right,
here?
down there.
Should be a tape recorder somewhere.
Right. In here.
Shall we press the fire alarm?
Little office.
Shall we press the fire alarm?
No, fuck off, don't. Max will work. But yeah, guys, I'm going to leave this video here. I'll do part 3 and part 4, hopefully part 5. So, yeah, guys.
Yeah,
Hope
see you in a
enjoyed.
bit.
Like and subscribe, and see you in a bit. Goodbye.
Bye.